Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So to do that, first go to your browser, and once you're here all you have to do is go to facebook.com. Alright, so once you're in your account, on the right hand side you can see your profile. Click there and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings once again. So once you're here, all you have to do is click on the privacy button on the left hand side, and then click on your Facebook information. Scroll down and you can see the option for deactivation and deletion, so click there. So now select your choice. So we want to deactivate your account, so click here and select the account that you want to deactivate. Click on continue, and then enter your Facebook password and again click on continue. So that is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. You can log in back once again to reactivate it, but that's how you basically deactivate the account. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.